Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 9 divided by 6 divided by 9 divided by 6. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. In this expression we have 3 divisions and we have to work from left to right. So first 9 divided by 6. 9 divided by 6 is the same as 9 over 6. Okay, and we have divided by 9 divided by 6. Here, according to the KCF rule, 9 over 6 divided by 9 can be written as 9 over 6 then times 1 over 9. Here we have divided by 6. We can easily cancel this 9 and this 9. So we have 1 over 6 divided by 6. Again, according to the KCF rule, 1 over 6 divided by 6 can be written as 1 over 6 times 1 over 6. And this is equal to 1 over 6 times 6, which equals 36. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 36.